up? What's poppin', pretty gang? Today's video is going to be a skincare routine, and as you all know, skincare is very important when it comes to your hygiene because today is Hygiene Monday. So let's get into the skincare routine. Went ahead and wet my face, and I'm taking a CeraVe hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I love this stuff. It's just been the bomb.com. Like, this is perfect for combination skin. It's very hydrating, and as you can see, I'm pumping it in my hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and start cleansing my face real good with that, nice and thorough. And it goes from cream to foam like it says. This is just bomb. I've been using it for a while now, and I really do like it. And I highly recommend it if you have oily skin, dry skin, whatever. This is perfect for all skin types, at least for me, because I have combination skin, and this thing works wonders for me. I went ahead and rinsed my face completely off, and I like to let my face air dry just a tad bit because water is really good moisture for your skin. Yeah. So then, as you can see, it's dry, and now I'm about to do the next step in my skincare routine, which is this mask by The Body Shop. I actually got this from Marshall's. It was like $3. It was on sale. Little did I know it was gonna be my favorite face mask ever. It definitely helps with glowing. It definitely helps cleaning out those pores and like help balancing that skin tone out. And yeah. Then I go ahead and set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes, and I'll come right back. It's been 10 minutes, and now it's time to rinse this mask off. And this is how my skin is looking after the fact. It's not irritated, as you can see. It's just this little red spot on my face, but who's tripping about that? So now I'm going to take this Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. I love this, bomb.com, and I'm just applying this to my skin. And I apply this on damp skin because I just noticed that my face just stays more moisturized and feels more supple when I do, damp skin with my moisturizer. And it's just bomb. I love this moisturizer, best thing ever. So that is pretty much it for my skincare routine. As you can see, my skin is looking glowing and flawless. I hope you guys do try my tips and tricks. And that is pretty much it for it. Peace, pretty gang.